Welcome back, everybody. I was gonna do some work on the Audi today, but it looks like there's a little bit more in the shop than just the Audi. This is here to get wrapped. That is here to get wrapped. Those are always here. And then there's the Datsun, just peeking out. So I'm gonna have to move some stuff around so I can get the Audi up on the lift and we can do an oil change on that because it is time for some maintenance. I've put about 3,000 miles on the car since I've gotten it, and who knows when the last oil change was done. The dealership said they did it, but I don't trust dealerships, so we're doing it ourselves now. I'm waiting on an oil filter, but in the meantime, I'm gonna have to move some stuff around, make room for the Audi so we can get it up. Haven't driven this car in about a week, and I definitely have missed it. I haven't driven it because we've been moving, so getting things from one place to the other. This was the first to go. That's why I haven't driven it. Another thing, these new Velosters, I actually really love the look of. The tail end is a lot better than the last generation. I still feel like it's lacking something. But as far as the front end goes and the overall car, I definitely love the look of these more than the last generation. You pull the top cover up and off and you'll have access to the oil filter. We're going to be running a K&N oil filter in here. And this is the oil cap. You're going to replace the O-ring on it as well. I'm getting oil everywhere.
Okay. What doing?
Well, you know, making things loud.
Cutting off mufflers?
Maybe.
2 of 3?
Couple, 2, 3 of them. There, bud.
Uh-oh.
Maybe. It's hard. Let's go like this. Oh, shit.
What?
I missed a spot.
What do you mean?
I mean, I cut it right there.
Whoops.
It's fine. This will be a lot easier on the ground.
Yeah? Why?
Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because I could just turn it. Or I could use an angle grinder and cut faster.
You can't use an angle grinder in the air?
I can't get the blade on top.
You wanted me to record more?
No, you're fine.
Oh. Are they off?
Oh, they're off. They're not in use right now. They're out of commission. I'm putting these bolts back in that hold the hangers for the mufflers because they attach to some sort of bracket and it rattles if it's not connected. So it looks like it's heat shielding, and I really don't want it to rattle on me while we're driving. So we're gonna go ahead, bolt them back in. Cross thread's better than no thread. And then we'll drop the car down here and we will start it up and see how much of a difference that makes. So far all we had done was the downpipe and the high flow cat. Now we'll get rid of the mufflers and then we'll
2 of the 3 anyways. There's still one.
Yeah, we're gonna leave the pancake muffler in because, you know, it's still a dad car. Still gotta be a dad car. Anywho, we will get new pipe and weld in some new tips and stuff, and we'll be dandy back here. But right now I'm just gonna drop it, see what it sounds like.
Here we go.
All right, first startup, and it's a cold start.
Well, you can hear it now.
So we'll let that warm up, and then we'll do some revs.
Get these out of the way. She's spitting.
All right, so we're in the Audi. I'm gonna give you a little sound test of what it sounds like, obviously. So we're gonna start it. You probably can't hear much on startup. I'm gonna turn you around and I'm gonna get on it a little bit. It's pretty loud. So I'm sure you guys can hear it now, and I'm not on it that much yet. So we'll give her a second till the road opens up, and then we'll get on it some more. All right, so we got a little bit more room here. So as you can see, it's pretty dang loud. We need to get those 2 mini mufflers ordered, and we'll get those thrown on, give it a little bit better sound, a little bit quieter, not quite as loud, and hopefully get rid of the drone. And then we'll be all set. So I'm gonna be 100% honest. Cut the mufflers off. It's a little too loud for me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order some mini mufflers. They won't take out as much sound as like the stock mufflers will, but they will help reduce how loud it is by a little bit and kind of tone it so it's not super raspy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those ordered, and we'll get those slapped on in a future video from now. I've got to do some work on the Datsun. That's for another video, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.